know you can make a cake or make a mistake, but do you know you can make someone's day or make up your mind? Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with IvyCath. Today, I'll show you how this little word make can completely change your English. Okay, let's start simple. When you make something, you are creating it. You are bringing something into existence through effort. Yesterday, I made myself a beautiful dress. Can't wait to put it on and go to the beach. So we make a cake, make a plan. My daughter is making us dinner tonight. Tell me in the comments, what's the last thing you made? Breakfast? Maybe coffee? Or maybe you made a mess like me when I dropped my wine glass on the floor. Here's where make gets fun. Sometimes it's not about creating an object. It's about causing something. For example, that movie made me cry. If I say you made me laugh, it means you are causing the feeling to happen. Imagine a rainy afternoon, dark skies, maybe a cozy blanket. That weather makes me sleepy. Can you think of something that makes you happy right now? Sometimes make is about someone forcing or influencing you. For example, my mom made me clean my room. That means I didn't want to, but she insisted. Or that speech made me think. Nobody forced me, but the words had a strong effect. I remember when I was a kid, my teacher made me stand in the corner for talking too much. Can you believe it? I think that's why today I make YouTube videos. I still love talking too much. Next one, make with decisions. We say make a decision, make a choice, make up your mind. Here's an example. I can't make up my mind about dinner, pizza or sushi. Oh, quick question. Are you someone who makes decisions quickly or do you take forever? Let's look at collocations. There are so many fixed phrases with make. Let's list a few. The first one is make money, which is to generate income, profit, or wealth through various activities such as employment, a business, or investment. The second one is make friends. This is to become someone's friend. I'm very good at making friends. Then we have make mistakes. This is when you do something incorrectly, resulting in an unwanted outcome. I make a lot of mistakes while making these YouTube videos. The fourth one is make an effort. This is to try hard to do something or to put energy and determination into achieving a goal. You are making an effort to improve your English. The last one is make progress, which is to advance towards a specific goal or a better state. Imagine you are learning English. At first, it's hard, but each day you learn a new word and one day you realize, wow, I can actually understand Netflix without subtitles. That's making progress. Now let's spice it up with idioms. Make ends meet means to survive financially. Here's an example. It's hard to make ends meet on one salary. Make a living. This is to earn money for your life. Here's an example. She makes a living as a teacher. Make your bed. Literally arranging your bed. But also figuratively, you've made your bed, now lie in it, means you must deal with the results of your choices. Make your day. This is something that really lifts your mood. For example, your comment just made my day. So today we've learned that make is not just about creating things. It's about causing effects, making decisions, building collocations, and even using idioms that make you sound natural. Here's your challenge. In the comments, write 3 sentences using make. It could be make dinner, make progress, or make your teacher laugh. I'll check them out and maybe your sentence will make my day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone else who wants to make progress in English. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.